So today I wanted to show you this. So I was just perusing through some motivation on Facebook. If I am on Facebook, that's the section I go to, right? If I'm on YouTube, that's the section I usually go to because you need an immense amount of motivation, to take you through the day and to help you see that what you're doing is going to end up being great, especially if you're still at the beginning. All right. So I was amazed by this. I'm sure you've been reading this for a while now. Coca Cola sold only 25 bottles in its first year. And now Coca Cola sells how many bottles a year? I don't know, but it sure is a lot of bottles. All right. I mean, if you don't get what this is saying, I don't know. We're going to go to the next one. I love this one. I love this one. This is the next one. Amazon.com. Look at this guy. He's like in this small cubicle like office. And I think that Amazon.com there is spray painted. And this was Amazon in 1999. Now look where Amazon is now. Do you realize what I'm saying? People look at all these great people, these successful companies, and they think that they were just born like that. They just became like that from day one. And so while I was looking at this one, I wondered, what about the many other big companies that we now know of? So I kept perusing, hoping I find my answer. And look where it all started. That's Apple in a garage. That's Google in a garage. Amazon in a garage. Uh, Look at all these companies. Started in some really small, you know, beginnings that people disrespect. That so many people look down on. You want to start a company, but you wanna just be Google on day one. You wanna be Google on year one. You want to be Facebook on year one. You don't realize that what brings success for these people is that they never give up, they never stop, they continue to work hard. Right? Now, this doesn't only apply in entrepreneurship, it applies in life itself. So many things have humble beginnings that most people scorn and look down on. Question is, what's your mindset? How do you think? Do you disrespect your humble beginnings, or do you realize that they are amazing? So, guys, go to the link below, click there, sign up, and start earning money online, right? And trust me, you need to get on this wagon while it's at the beginning, okay? While we starting this out. This is the first time I'm speaking about this on YouTube. It's the first time I'm speaking about this anyway. I only posted two posters on Facebook on my Facebook group and Facebook page. All right, so this is beginning. Jump on board, right, and grow with us because people are going to be able to earn money online without having to be always salespeople. People will be able to earn money online by being employees and not necessarily salespeople. Do you understand? What I'm trying to say is you can get online and complete a couple of tasks and make money. You can also choose to be a salesperson by choice whenever you want to sell and make money. You can go on one website and be able to do so many things with your money. It can be amazing. One website can be a whole world